Yellowstone County District Court Judge Russell Fagg heard his last case today before hanging up his robe on Friday.
The longtime justice has expressed interest in a political future. Q2's Asia Gore sat down with the judge today to find out what's next.
Reflecting on his 22 years of work, Judge Russell Fagg estimates he's presided over 25,000 cases, but one stands out in his memory. The year, 1996, the defendant, 17-year-old Gino Gonzalez.
He killed a Quickway clerk and it was all recorded and he had already gotten the money. All he had to do was leave. And you see him pull the trigger and the safety's on. So then you see him flip the safety and pull the trigger and shoot the Quickway clerk for absolutely no reason. I sentenced him to life in prison and it was one of the hardest things, if not the hardest thing I've ever done.
The Gonzalez case was one of the first major crimes to come through Fagg's courtroom, but it certainly wasn't the last. Fagg says he's had a passion for serving justice as long as he can remember.
I was a middle child and I was sort of the one that settled disputes, it seemed like, within our family, and it just seemed like a natural progression. I like being a lawyer, but when I saw a judge who, frankly, I didn't think was doing that good of a job, and I was just a very young man, but I thought, I'm going to give it a shot.
Since he won that race, Fagg says he's fought to uphold the law and do right by the people of Yellowstone County. But now he may be eyeing the Senate race.
I think I'm in a really unique place to know how to model policy to move our country in a better direction. And second, I really feel like I'm a negotiator. I'm trying to look for a win-win situation. I like to work with people from different backgrounds. I think I'd be able to work with both parties.
As a Republican, Fagg says he'd push to lower the nation's debt and, with Montana in mind, push for alternatives to prison for drug users. As he hangs up his robe, Fagg says he may be done on the bench, but he hopes he's not done serving Montanans. In Billings, I'm Asia Gore, MTN News.
And Fagg says he plans to open his own law firm.
And stay tuned, he will reveal the results of his exploratory committee this Saturday here in Billings.